Hazrat Masood bin Makhrama and Abdul Rahman bin Abdul Qari say that they heard Hazrat Umar radiyallahu anhu saying, in Allah's apostle times, I heard Hisham bin Hakim bin Hizam reciting chapter Al-Furqan. So when I listened attentively to his recitation, I found him reciting some words in a manner different to the one Allah's apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam had taught me. I was nearly to seize him even while performing prayer, but I delayed it till he had finished the prayer by performing salutation. Then putting the sheet around his neck, I said, who had taught you to recite in this manner the chapter which I heard you reciting? He replied, Allah's apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam had taught me. I said, you are telling a lie, because by Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, Allah's apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam have taught me the same chapter which I have heard from you. So I dragged him over to Allah's apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam and submitted. O Allah's apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, I have heard him reciting chapter Furqan in a different manner, whereas you have taught me to recite it. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, O Hisham, recite it. So he recited it in the manner I had heard him recite it. Allah's apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam whereupon said, it has been revealed in this way. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam then said to me, O Umar, recite it. So I recited in the mode he sallallahu alaihi wasallam had taught me. So Allah's apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, thus was it revealed. Allah's apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam then said, undoubtedly the Quran has been sent down in 7 modes of reading. So recite it according to the mode easy for you their form. Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 5041.